This dish uses just two ingredients, eggs and tofu. The tofu is wrapped in eggs and pan-fried until golden, then gently simmered in the sweet and tangy sauce. The outside is lightly crispy, while the inside stays soft and silky. Today, let's make this easy and delicious sweet and sour egg-wrapped tofu. Cut the tofu into slices about a quarter-inch thick. I'm using soft tofu because it has the smoothest, most delicate texture. If you're worried it might break, you can use firm tofu instead. Arrange the tofu slices in a circle, slightly overlapping each other. If you want the tofu to hold together better in the pan, simply overlap the slices a little more tightly. When you place the last slice, tuck it under the first one to close the circle. Beat 4 eggs. Pour half of the egg mixture evenly over the tofu, making sure it coats the bottom of the plate. Fill the hole in the center with the extra tofu pieces. Next, let's make the sauce. Add salt, white pepper, sugar, white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, and a little cornstarch. Pour in some water and mix well. Set aside. Heat the pan over medium heat and add some oil. Once the pan is warm, gently slide the tofu into the pan. Don't move it right away. Let the bottom set first. Keep the heat at medium the whole time. After about 3 to 4 minutes, check the bottom. Once it turns golden, it's ready to flip. Soft tofu can break easily, so you can use a plate like I do to help flip it. Pour the remaining egg mixture into the pan. Gently swirl the pan so the eggs spread across the bottom. Then carefully place the tofu and egg from the plate on top of the eggs. Cook the other side over medium heat for about 3 minutes until it's also golden brown. Then transfer it to a plate and set aside. No need to wash the pan. The cornstarch in the sauce will settle at the bottom, so give it a quick stir before pouring it in. Pour the prepared sauce into the pan and bring it to a boil. Return the egg-wrapped tofu to the pan. Cover with a lid and let it simmer over medium heat for about 3 minutes. After that, check the sauce. If there's still too much liquid, turn the heat slightly higher and let it reduce until it reaches the thickness you like. Finally, sprinkle toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions on top. And it's done. The ingredients and steps are super simple, but the result looks beautiful and tastes amazing. It's rich in flavor and perfect with rice. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.